Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I am equal parts excited and oh boy. I've got a product here that I have so many questions about, but so many of you have wanted reviews on this. So I purchased one. I got this from one of those awful webs. Was it Zaffle? ROMWE? It might have been ROMWE. But either way, it was fairly cheap, and I know some of you have said, Cassie, you gotta try it because it's cats. I feel like automatically when you own cats, you become the lady that everyone, whenever they see something cat related out in the world, they're like, Cassie, cats though! And I'm like, yes. So yeah, this is basically 2 stencils that are supposed to give us beautiful wings on our eyes. Hence why I'm not wearing makeup right now. A, because I mean I like to have days where I don't wear makeup, and B, something's gonna go wrong. I just know it. I can't imagine this works. Or at least not for everyone. The instructions are fabulous. Here, as you can see, very English here. The cat line tutorial is very suitable for beginner of eye makeup, and you could choose a shape to match your eye shape, which could show the charming of eye makeup, then owing a natural and pretty eyeliner. Warm tips. I think they meant hot tip. Keep the hand stable when drawing the eye makeup to avoid drawing again. Isn't that the worst? And then they show several different ways that you can use these things to line your eyes. So I mean, they're just these sheets of, what would you call this? Plastic, probably? I just don't see, no, it must go the other way. That's a huge wing! Like, very large? Ah, here we go. The instructions, these wonderful instructions. So here's option 1 that we'll be able to do. Option 2? How though? Oh, that's for if you want like a straight kind of. How is that gonna, okay. And they show this. I don't know, you're supposed to be able to do lower liner maybe? This is also supposed to be a thing? How? And for what? And then for the very bold, this, nay, this. Yes. And then this one, what? Somehow that's supposed to be a look? For some reason this is supposed to be helpful, as is that and that. No. Ah, so much better. That. No. Really? And that. Ow. I don't know, you guys, call me old-fashioned, but I feel like just drawing a wing is way easier than this, but we're gonna give it a shot, darn it. So they, in the little tutorial pictures, show using a pen liner. So got my Tom Ford here. Let's see, what first? I have so many options, 10 different options. So for look 1, we are supposed to put this like this. Maybe I should switch my camera. My mirror. I want you guys to be able to really see this cat action. Like, this just doesn't feel like it's helpful to have to hold this plastic apparatus. I don't know, maybe if you really struggle with liner, this will be a good tool for you. This is such a thick wing though. But okay, we're holding. Pressing. I'm gonna fill this in. Okay, did I do it? We'll find out. I mean, the idea's there, and then maybe I could just correct. A monstrous wing. Whew, I do know some people though. They do enjoy this. So there's option 1. Yeah, nailed it. Option 2. Gonna do the other side here. Readjust the camera. Let's see. I think this is it. Or maybe, no, it had it more like that. Yeah. See, like, this is my biggest thing, is having to hold it down. This is not comfy or easy. I feel like this makes it harder to do a wing. reveal. Huh? Okay, that one didn't go so great. Don't worry, we're gonna make this better. Boom. Nailed it. This is, again, very thick. Not very flattering on my eye shape, either of them. All right, now this next one shows this, but it does show this with a felt liner, so, or a pen liner, whatever you're gonna wanna say. It kind of has it like that. So I'm just supposed to, I never use pen liner on my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Oh, that feels so strange. But there you go. I mean, I think that's the point of it, right? And then this one, the last one, it's supposed to kind of connect. There it is. Kitty's head is supposed to go like that. No, that can't be correct. Kitty's head is supposed to go like that. Yeah, that's gotta be correct. So correct. I don't know anyone whose eye shape that would work on. Someone out there apparently desires this, and that's okay. Now next, we use Kitty's chest. No. How? Yeah, that can't. Whose eyeball? Because they show it like Kitty's neck right there is supposed to line up with your tear duct area anyways, but then my wing is going all the way up here. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to adjust to my eye shape. I don't feel like I drew on my skin for that one, but I think that was partially the point. Here, let's use Kitty's butt to fix this. Oh yeah, cat butts heal all wounds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got this. I mean, honestly, this is the closest one to how I do my eyeliner. Which, by the way, now that we have tried out all of the options available for lining with this, I get a lot of people asking how I do my eyeliner. I do a very simple application. Step 1, avoid blinking. So I start in my inner corner and I just make short little lines going towards the outside. You want to be even closer. I try to keep the pen as close to my lash line as possible. And I tend to keep it fairly thin on the inside portion. You just want to take your time. I personally tend to hold my breath. And then as we get to the outside here, I kind of visualize the kind of end of my brow going towards here, and then I just kind of push down with the pen. Let's see, we get that kind of a mark. And then connect those points like that. And then I just fill in where I can see, oops, any blank spots. Extend the wing if I want to do it longer. And ta-da! That's how I usually do it. It usually looks a bit more crisp because I don't have micellar water on my eyes from taking off eyeliner, but like I said, this one got pretty close. So yeah, there you go, you guys. There's the cat liners. I tried, but I really I mean, if anything, I feel like these might be good for like, if you don't know what shape works well on your eyes, because so many, I mean, maybe these would work a lot better if I had a more, I don't know the politically correct term, but like a more Asian shaped eye, which is what is shown here. But you know, just depending on who you are, do you have more hooding on your lids? Do you not? Do you have wider set eyes? Do you have closer set eyes? Like, what are you trying to accomplish with your wings? And a lot of it, it's just practice, you know? So maybe get these and you can try out different shapes, at least like kind of try them out. But I feel like something like the vamp stamp is way easier than this, or just learning how to draw them on through trial and error on your own. I guess that's just what I'm most comfortable with, but I mean, if anything, this was kind of fun to test out. I hope you guys enjoyed testing it with me and seeing the lovely eyeliner looks that I was able to create here. Definitely let me know down in the comments below. Do you own and or use this cat stencil liner? Do you like it? Does it work for you? If you get it to work, I think that's great. And I would love to know how you get it to work. And yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, also let me know by giving me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!